Universal teller machine, okay, universal teller machine can practically do what the human teller can do. Okay? It's very convenient. You can now deposit checks. You can update your passbook. And you can do the transaction cardless using the biometrics and the QR code. But of course, nandun pa rin yung mga traditional deposit and withdraw cash. You pay your bills. So practically, you have another tool to use, especially, marami po sa inyo may mga representatives, right? We are trying to assist them and educate them how to use these facilities and equipment for all your conveniences. Next, okay, next slide. We also have online branch booking. Okay, with the use of your cell phone and tablet, ito, napaka-convenient. All you have to do, just log in to BDO website. It's www.bdo.com.ph. Book your visit. So now, you can schedule your appointments to your selected branch very easily. So kung kayo po available at 10 o'clock, just log into your tablet or phone and make your own appointment. Enter your transaction details and save the QR code. Kapag po nagpunta kayo ng branch, nandun na, naka-queue na yung inyong transaction. So we want to finish your transaction as fast as we can in the branch. Okay. Next, online account opening. No need to drop by the branch. You can open your account using your platforms in your cell phone. No more manual paper forms. And of course, we have a wide array of deposit products that you can choose from. And you can even apply for loans and credit card. Ang dali, di ba? Kahit nasa room ka, namamasyal ka, or kumakain kayo sa restaurant with the family, at naisip mo lang, uy, mag-open kaya ako ng account. Magpa-appointment kaya ako sa branch tomorrow. Very easy, very accessible. So we are providing all of this for our valued clients. So, our aim, the ultimate aim is this. We need to combine the physical type of providing or delivering of service and trying to enhance our digital platforms. 2-in-1. Okay? That's the reason why we call it phygital banking experience. So, we want to provide you the best facilities and the best form of availing the services of BDO. Again, to recap, we are the only bank open 7 days a week. With the longest banking hours, we are open most of the holidays, even local holidays. Okay? So, we are here for you. Our only aim is to serve you better because we only have 3 words. We find ways. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir Ed.